Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got done packing to go to Tallahassee for my sister's graduation. And as I was going through my drawers, getting everything together, I came across my old GoPro. So one thing that I never really had the opportunity to do, mainly because I couldn't find this damn thing, was to just get a nice POV shot of driving. I wanted to do this whole review on my ST and give all my thoughts and opinions and what I think works well in the car, what doesn't work well in the car. And as I started to think more and more about it, I realized one thing that I can assume about most of you guys who are watching this channel, outside of my mom, is that you guys don't really give a shit. So one thing that I want to try to do, at least on my way up there, is just strap this to my head and just drive. Listen to the sound of the car, see how it handles, and just go. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's see how this works. I haven't tried this before, so I think it's going to be kind of interesting. So let's do this thing. Oh. You guys might want to... Medium chicken nugget was like a number 4 or something like that. I forgot.
Want the 8 count or the 12 count?
12 count.
You want the meal?
Yeah.
What's the drink with that?
Sweet tea.
Any sauces?
No.
Alright, so just a 12 count nugget meal, medium fry, and a medium sweet tea, no sauce?
Yep.
Alright, it's 8:30. Pull up and around to the whatever. I'll help you there.
Thanks. I think the camera threw him off. That's funny. I just wanted some nuggets, that's all I wanted. I mean, it's hard to get nuggets, who knew?
Okay, here we are. Thanks. That'll be 8:30.
There you go.
Thank you. So what were you filming?
That's YouTube.
What?
Just YouTube.
Just YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube.
What do you do?
Auto vlogging, car reviews, car shows, all that good stuff.
I like it, man.
Take it easy.
Alright, you have a nice day.
Hey,
Hello. Thank you. You have a good one. I swear to God, you never have to pee until you're like miles away from any rest stops. I mean, I could just go in the middle of the woods. Maybe. Oh, can't see shit. So that's probably being too short. Sometimes these don't work. Oh, I spoke too soon. 2 miles away. Oh, thank baby Jesus. My eyes are like floating in my skull. As I punish myself a little more. Hashtag pointless overtake. I am getting pretty close to my sister's apartment out in Tallahassee, and the GoPro is about to die, and I am in desperate need of an energy drink. So this is where I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this little adventure off. So if you stuck around to now, thank you so much for hanging out and enjoying the ride with me. As always, like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you want to see me do in the future, or let me know if you want to come and do something stupid like this with me. So, as always, thank you very much, and we will see you guys next time.